Hello you. I'm Hovakoria. Try pronouncing that. This is the beta milestone stream. It's a bit late. Cause maybe the schedule gave away a bit. Right now, the project's doing pretty well. It's getting along. I had to make certain things which are going to be useful for the other projects too, so that's why it's been taking a bit longer than expected. I might as well show the project right away, rather than talking about it. Why not? So I made a build and tested it quickly, and it seemed to work. Even managed to find a few bugs. Let's get at it. The name is still temporary, most certainly. I've been trying to come up with something, but so far, no luck. Let's start with those things that have been keeping me up. Not at night, but keeping me working overtime. So it's these settings, because for some reason I had not made anything like this before for any of my previous projects. So I couldn't just reuse something, but now I do. So we can do something silly like this. Everything goes ugly. Is this really useful? Who knows? And then Unity gives 4 different options for screen mode. That's fine. Audio levels, they work. For instance, if you don't want to hear that sound, then you can get rid of it. Lastly, there's this key bindings menu. I needed to make a completely separate input system for this because Unity's own system doesn't allow this. You can't change key bindings at runtime, but here we go. Can be changed. In fact, let's try it and have 2 buttons for pause. Let's start here. Without these, but just a little tour. So skipping tutorials, that's something that should be in every project ever, in my opinion. Disable graphics, yes. I'll show what that thing does soonish. Disable dialogue or prose, I guess. And then you can also allow restarting, which is not by design. But let's see. It's not polished yet. There might be some bugs. So do keep that in mind. Yes, talking heads. Playing through the tutorial again. I've done it too many times already. That font I need to change. It's pretty simple, really. Huh. You'll regret this. And the character names are temporary too. Just so you know. Who knows, maybe they stay, because it doesn't really matter now, does it? Yes, it does work. All the music is a licensed Creative Commons attribution or public domain. There's quite a bit of it online, so it's worth a look if you need music for a project, even a commercial project. Moving on. There are bigger issues a-brewing. I can't remember where. I heard that years ago, but it stuck with me, so there it is now. Yes, not a cat. Those sound effects, right? I'm really hoping the music makes up for those. Got to leg it. Let's go up here. Good idea. God, what? There's not a whole lot of prose right now. Mostly just in the tutorials and the boss fights. Which is not what I planned, but it takes time. We'll try to add a bit more tomorrow. Then I just have to concentrate and polish and getting this darn thing released. Wednesday's the target. Of course, I can slip as much as I want. I've got no publisher or any other group breathing down my neck. Just myself. I'm setting the deadlines here. Oh, it actually corrupted. Moving on. Oh, yes, the castle that's not here. It probably won't be here, so I'll have to change that line to something else. These things aren't quite good enough. But that one is true. Block the overflow. Oh yeah. There should be some dialogue there too. Ooh. Better get it going. See? Just in the nick of time. Just in the nick of time. So one thing I was supposed to make today is a simple, well, I'm still gonna make it after the stream, but a simple rating system which looks at how many CVs you saved and gives you a letter rank. But I got stuck fixing things. That happens. But it's pretty solid right now. I'm happy that it's not crashing or anything. Silly. I had a little scare a few weeks ago when the old Unity version, the build would just crash whenever I paused. Did that. Which was super weird. But the new version just works. Works just fine. Okay. First level, not very exciting. Well, first proper level, I guess. You know what? Let's go down a little bit. It worked. That's for sure. Whoopsie daisy. Get a move on. There we are. Now it doesn't matter anymore. Let's see what happens. I would have liked the buildings to crumble down to just like these platforms do. But I ain't got time for that. some kind of a sound effect for that too. Probably not gonna happen. Ooh. Ooh, wait a minute. Now what's going on here? See, I found a bug. The GUI disappeared. That's interesting. It might be because of this. But anyways, let's see. It probably comes back when I reload. Oh, and here's a neat little thing I put in this week, which is showing all the characters you have. Yeah, and you can't change these after you've started. Yeah, so that's... Oh, right. Yeah, that's a little visual issue. Okay, there we are. So there's two bugs there. The whole GUI disappeared, and then when I reload, these things don't look alright, and then even that button's not there, so... Yeah, things to fix. But it's not crashing, like I said, not crashing. There we go. So yeah, here should be like a rating here, A+ for 100%. Oh, right. Oh. Yeah, now it disappeared. See? It's not there. That's really interesting. And now it's back. Huh. Weird. Oh, right. So the demo. There's going to be a public demo, of course. The demo is going to have... Let's go there. The demo is going to have the 4 tutorials and then 3 of these standard levels, so I'm just going to play through those. Why not? Stop there. Ooh, except that one. Yeah, now it's gonna get tough. Except no, don't do that. Pretty much down to luck at this point here, but just 10 people. Get out of there. Get out of there. So now it's really down to luck. You see, it's over 50% chance. Yeah, it's not gonna happen. There we go. 3 of them died. Or got corrupted. Whichever you prefer. Too bad. Oh, G. Oh, G. There might be just a just a few civilians in this level. This is not good. It's not lost yet. There's still hope. Oh no. I want to save them all. Good. Good, good. Now it's down to this. Now something that's not explained in the tutorial, maybe it should, is that when these corruptors join like this, so now there's two corruptors pushing Ghost onto this area here, so it's gonna get corrupted twice as fast, which is kind of important when you're deciding who goes where, because, like, as you can see here, yeah, it still makes sense. So here the mage is capable of completely keeping this area clean, because it's only connected to one corruptor. Which, it kind of looks like it's connected to two, now that I think about it. But yeah, once this area falls, then this corruptor is connected here, and it connects all the way down to the portal. Some kind of a visual cue for that would be nice. Or then I just explain it in the tutorial. Oh, I forget about it. That might happen. Hopefully not. Anyways, now this is kind of starting to look iffy. Okay, so there's not too many civvies in this level if you just keep this one locked up, apparently. Or you get lucky. Totally. Totally. Now things are starting to heat up, but it doesn't matter. Does not matter. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh. Okay. Let's leave. And what is that? What is that civvy doing there? Okay, that's genuinely that's a weird bug. What happened there? Was it just too slow? I can't have been too slow. Oh, I'll have to look into that. Okay, last level of the demo. Let's see. Let's go there. That's unfortunate. Oh. How did that even happen? I'll have to look to the video evidence. Oh, maybe there was one ghost. That's very unlucky. It's very unlucky. Well, bye-bye. But, yeah, might as well show you one more feature. Because this is the last level I'm gonna show anyways. So what happens in this case? Fox is down. Oh, that was a little visual issue. This music track reminds me of Camel and Caravan. Now there's two bands worth listening to. Two oldies. Okay, so if we go to the menu now, the fox is corrupted. Well, I mean, I might as well show you the next level. Why not, if it works? Things might have just broke unexpectedly. Huh, okay, so I'm finding nice bugs. Nice bugs. Okay, so let's see if that bug persists. Yeah, so there's campaign 1. So I'm just gonna take a copy of that. I can use it for debugging. Let's see. Okay, yeah, that's good. Now I have a save of that, so I can look at it. Probably something to do with the corruption or whatnot. Well, then the levels corrupted. Probably not. Well, probably not. Right. I'm just gonna show a few more things. A few more fun things, and I forgot to try. Okay, these are all good. Okay, start a new one, and I skip tutorials. And I disable graphics. Let's allow that too, why not? Then you get this beautiful thing. Oh, those have disappeared. That's unfortunate. Oh, it looks so different. So why did I do this? That's a good question. I just had this. I thought it was funny, basically. It wasn't hard to do because I already had the level graphics, these simplified graphics for testing purposes. So I just needed to turn it on for the runtime. Yeah, but that's all it does. Just replaces the graphics. Simplifies the graphics. I think this mode might be useful for some people though. Maybe. If you are if your vision is impaired in some way, this is kind of a high contrast mode. So who knows, maybe there's a use for it, but I just put it in just for fun. Yes, leave those civvies there. But now you can restart. Oh, see? Found another bug. It loaded the graphics. Interesting. See? Testing. This is testing. As well as showcase. Yeah. Things break. I think that's everything for now. So there's 20 levels plus 5 tutorial levels in the campaign. That's all I'm gonna have at launch. So of course I can add things later if I want to. I do have a funky idea about a different type of campaign. But who knows, I'm not making any promises. After all, I'm gonna start a new project after this one. Pretty much right away. Well, I'm gonna take a week off. Oh, just let's continue. This one works. You know what? Let's try one thing real quick. Do a bit of debugging about the other issue. So if I just leave all those people behind. Ooh. Ooh. What happened there? Pretty sure I pressed continue. See? Oh yeah, because exactly. Things are a bit balked. Escape. Continue. Now it worked. What's going on? What is going on? Oh, and of course it's broken again. This is pretty interesting. So, escape. So what happens now? Oh, it just works. Okay. That's that. I have the save. I can study it. Also have the project here, just in case things were even worse, but they went. See, now even Unity is having some trouble. Unity is having trouble. Which level is this? Oh right, tutorial 2. Well, that's the project as it is. 3 days left. Plus this evening. And of course I can push the release. Wednesday is the target, like I said. Friday is the last chance. Really the last day I'm willing to give to this project, I guess you could say. I don't like breaking deadlines. But basically, it's polish, fixing. I have a lot of things to fix, it seems. And then just releasing it on itch.io. I'm not shooting any higher than that at the moment. Because it would be nice to put these projects I'm working on in as many marketplaces as possible, but that really can wait. That's more or less it, really. That's the project. That's the plan. I'm not gonna have a release stream after all. I'm not gonna be able to do that. I wouldn't do it anyways. So that plan kind of changed. But who knows with the future projects. Well, I've got a lot of things to fix, so this is the end of the video. Farewell.